friends, I am Ankita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss about direct and inverse variation. So, first we have to know what is variation. Friends, it is saying that a change or slight difference in condition. That means we have some amount or quantities that varies from one amount to another amount. So, this process we call this is variation. So now we are taking some examples. For that you can easily understand what is direct variation. Suppose we have one pen and that price is 5 rupees. Then we take two pens. Then what will the price of this? We know this is 10. This is easy. And similarly, if we take 4 pens and that will be 20 rupees. You can see that if I increase the number of pens simultaneously, the price of pens increases. So, if we increase the number of pens, then similarly the price of pens also increases. So, what we can write? More pens, more cost. Less pen, less cost. So, what is the meaning of this? If we increase the number of pens, then cost will be increased, and when we decrease the number of pens, and the cost will be decreased. Friends, you knew that process is when number of things is increases, in that time the price of that things also increases. So this process is called direct variation. So now to come the definition of direct variation in words. So it is saying that two quantities are said to vary directly if the increase or decrease. You can see that if we increase the quantity, then the price of that quantity is increases, and when we decrease the quantity, then that price also decreases. So what is the definition of direct variation? It is saying that two quantities are said to vary directly if the increase or decrease in one quantity causes the increase or decrease in other quantities. What is the meaning of this statement? When we increase number of things, in that time the price of things also increases. So this process is called direct variation. Friends, now we will check that how to determine the direct variation in mathematically. So let us see. Suppose we have 2 liters of milk equal to 40 rupees, and similarly we can find that 4 liters of milk equal to 80 rupees. Then how to find this? This is, we know that if 2 liters of milk equal to 40 rupees, then 1 liter of milk what will be? Equal to 20 rupees. So this is 4 into 20 equal to 80 rupees. So this is easy. You can find it easily. Here we have task that we have to find the price of 5 liter and 8 liter milks. What we'll do here, I am taking these values in table. For that you can easily see that what is going in there. Now we will fill up this table. So first we take that 2 liters of milk, and that price is 40 rupees, and when we get 4 liter of milk, that price is 80 rupees. And what will be here? If we have 5 liters of milk, then we have to pay 100 rupees. So similarly, you can find here 80 liters of milk, we have to pay 160 rupees, and here 220 rupees. So it is easy, you can find it easily. So what you notice here, if we increasing the amount of milk, that implies the price also increases. So here what we can write, when x increases, in that time y also increases. When we increase the amount of milk, in that time also the price of milk increases. So this is called direct variation. Suppose here what we'll do here, suppose I take x by y. What will the value of this x by y? So if I take first quantity x, what is first quantity? This is 2. And what is the first y? That is 40. So if we take x by y and this is 2 by 40, then we get 1 by 20. So this is x by y. Similarly, if we take second quantity, then here second quantity is what? 4. 4 by 80. So x is 4 and y equal to 80. If we solve this, then we get same 1 by 20. Similarly, if we take all values of x and y and find the x by quantities, all we get that 1 by 20. So you can check that 8 by 160 equal to 1 by 20 and 11 by 220 equal to 1 by 20. What we will get here, if we take all this in a row, means in a line, what I get, x by y equal to, first we write 2 by 40 and similarly here we can write 4 by 80 and that equal to 5 by 100 and that is same as 1 by 20. So here we can write that x by y equal to 1 by 20. Why this is 1 by 20? See, here the sign is equal sign. Here all are equals to 120. So we can write that x by y equal to 120. And what is this? And this is the constant. Constant means what? It is just a number. Okay. So when we get x by y equal to constant, we say that this x and y are direct variation. So what is the another definition of direct variation? If we say that two quantities x and y are said to be in direct variation if x by y is constant. If x by y is constant, then we can say that this x and y are in direct variation. Okay. Here another topic is directly proportional. What is called directly proportional? If we take all x by y and that we get a constant and all are same. What is the meaning of this? All x by y are same and that is a constant value, then this x and y are called directly proportional. This topic is very easy. If you have any doubt in this video, please comment below, and if you want to contact with me, then I will put the link of my Facebook group in description. You can join there, and thanks for watching.